Alright, so I want you girls to rate me by the sound of my voice.
2, I guess.
2?
Yes.
Stop the cap.
What do you rate?
I'll give you 3.
You lie. 3.
Yes.
Do I look ugly?
You're ugly now with your voice. The voice is
Damn, see how I look. Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Very 100% sure.
So I'm going to turn around and see whether you girls keep the same energy. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, no problem. Just wait here.
It's about to go down.
So how do I look now?
Wow.
Yeah, you see.
What do you girls give me?
9.
Clap for her.
How about you?
10 because
A
you're
10.
just perfect.
Damn. So can I get you girls' number? Like, if you girls are feeling me, like,
Sure.
sure, okay.